Today, I wanted to make a video on this gun. How do I get to loadouts? It's the Grekhova pistol. It's nice. Alright? It's real nice. So I'm going to start off by going into some face-off, you know, because this being a close quarters weapon, face-off is where it's going to shine. However, I'm thinking I'm going to take it into a couple of games of normal 6v6, like hardpoint or something, and see how I like it in normal matches. I've been pairing it up with the Frost line because it's kind of like a wombo combo, you know? You use the sniper at a range, obviously, and then when somebody gets close quarters, you swap over to the Grekhova. I'm never gonna be able to say its fucking name right. You switch over to the Grekhova and then just shred them. Throw a nade right there for a little. One thing I've realized after my first game of using this thing is extended mag is absolutely necessary. I mean, this thing fires at the rate of a submachine gun, but it only has 20 bullets in the mag, you know? So, even with extended mag, you're only getting 25, you know? It's not like anything crazy. So, yeah, I mean, dude, those 5 extra bullets are gonna help. Dude, if I could just get some more 1v1 fights like that one, it'd be great.
Hostile long gun neutralized. Grenade out.
Ha ha ha! He didn't expect me to have the Grekhova on me. Gotcha, bitch! Alright, so out of ammo, kinda cooked. Watch, he's gonna walk up. Uh-oh. I choked that shot so hard. God damn it!
You hand it out. You better be ready to take it.
Dude. It's a fucking decoy. It's this dude.
Took out their sleeper agent.
Thank you. Thank you. Jeez. I shot you so many times. Oh, I'm on your ass. I'm on your ass.
One by.
Dude, it's just a lot of fun to run around with, you know? I mean, it's a pistol, so your mobility is pretty high. And, yeah. You know, your mobility is high. Time to kill is probably pretty fast for a pistol. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's pistols that, like, 2-shot to the head, so that's probably gonna be faster. But, dude, how often are you going 2 for 2 on the head?
Summon the tank. Sniper's toast. Let's move. Hostile long gun neutralized.
Top frag with the pistol. I mean, can't complain. Alright, so we got some hard point going.
Hardpoint is secure.
So I feel like now I'm gonna be able to use this thing at a range, which is gonna be nice. I shot my own teammate. Dude, what? Camping bitch. Dude, you know, I don't have a lot of complaints with this game. But my biggest complaint is how terrible the fucking snipers are. I mean, dude, the ADS speed is slower than fuck. And God forbid you get the chance to ADS, they're already aimed on you, shooting you, and it's like a fucking magnitude 20 million on the fucking Richter scale has just struck your monitor, and you can't fucking see anything because the flinch is so bad. Quickscoping's dead, man, and it sucks. I mean, I want to hit fucking, I just want to go bow, 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 you know, bow. But no, you can't fucking quickscope. You can't quickscope. It doesn't work. That's not a thing in this game. You can see what I'm saying, bro?
I just hopped on new whip, already high as fuck.